Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then don't forget to subscribe. And as always, if you'd like to follow me on all my social media, it is right here down below. So today's video, we are going to do a little influencer unboxing, I guess, which I don't even know what I did with it. It's over here. So I got a package from Influencer, and as far as I know, I got a bronzer and a blush, and so I am excited to try it. So we're gonna do like a little vlog style video today, a little get ready with me, all that jazz, and I'm excited to open up my box. Look at how weirdly it was wrapped. It's like in a box and then it was like wrapped in plastic. I don't know, so weird. So we are gonna open her up. We're gonna do a little get ready with me, and I'm gonna test the products, and I'm gonna let you know what I am thinking and how I am feeling about these products. So let's do it. I had to get a pair of scissors, so here we go. Let's open her. Okay, cool. Oh, that's right. It's from Rimmel London. I couldn't remember what the brand was. Rimmel London. Here we go. All right, so I got a little red box, Influencer. Let's see. Okay, I get a little card that usually just tells me what's in here, what I have to do. So I get a natural bronzer, natural looking bronze glow, up to 10 hours of wear and waterproof. And a maxi blush, natural looking color that lasts all day, highly pigmented, buildable color, lightweight, microfine powder. Cool. So I do use a bronzer, but this is honestly perfect timing because one, I needed a video idea for this week, so this is good. And the second is I usually use my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I got this for Christmas a year and a half ago, and I've officially like hit pan on it, but I still have like a good amount of bronzer in there, so I can probably go till another Christmas, so that'll be good because I would have had it for 2 years. But I'm excited to try a different bronzer because the Hoola bronzer is not the cheapest, and it's good quality and stuff like that, but I'm hoping that this is a good quality too. So I think they're wrapped together. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. They're just wrapped together in this bubble wrap. So let's see. Ooh, I love a good drugstore product. Okay, so a natural bronzer. Let's see, that should be okay for me. It's like basically my color. Like I'm already the color of the bronzer, which is crazy. I tan like insanely over the summer, so, but we'll give it a shot. And then the maxi blush, which looks like it's got like a little shimmer to it. Did I say there was a shimmer in it? No, it just says natural looking. All right, we'll give it a shot. I'm not a big blush person. I don't use blush on the daily. I don't use blush like ever. So it'll be interesting to see how that goes. So what I'm gonna do is just do like my summer look, the look that I've been doing for the last couple of weeks during the summer, and just like a minimal makeup look basically, and then we'll go in with the bronzer. So we will probably fast forward through all this. I'm just gonna put my hair back for a sec so I don't get makeup in my hair in my makeup, both, I guess. I don't know. For the most part, my skin has been good, so. I have literally just been doing concealer for the summer. I have not been doing any real foundation just because, one, New York is still like, we're not in quarantine, but like everybody's still wearing masks and all that. So honestly, I haven't been going to too many places, and if I do, the mask is almost like a godsend because I don't have to put any makeup on the bottom half of my face, which is great. So if I just have to put a little concealer on my forehead, that's what I do. But if I do want to go out somewhere and I'm like, maybe I'm gonna hang out with a friend or two and I just like want to wear a little bit of makeup, and I think I've shown you guys this before, the CoverGirl Clean Matte BB Cream. It's super lightweight and relatively sheer, so really all I'd use it for is like, I'll do what I'm doing now. I'll just put a little concealer on, and then I'll put that on top of it just to like even it all out, and just to look like a little bit, you know, better, I guess, to even my skin tone out. But aside from that, I don't really care. You know, if I'm just gonna like make a quick trip, or I'm just gonna do like a little summer makeup, then I don't necessarily need that. I'm good with just like the concealer. Okay, cool. So that's done. So really minimal, that's what I'm saying. Then I go in with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer Setting Powder. And I do like, again, like very limited. I actually take my beauty blender and just go over the spots that I had concealer on. Cool, and that's pretty much it for that, and that's the base. I mean, looks fine to me. Like, you know, you can see I have a little bit of texture, but nothing insane. So now I am going to take the bronzer that I have and we are gonna try it. So this is, again, the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. It's a waterproof, that's cool. If I can open her, let's see. I struggle on the daily, so it's fine. Got it. Okay, so here we go. This is what it looks like. It's got like a little sun. See it? Oh, okay, so cap comes off. Let's give her a go. So usually what I do is I take this big fluffy brush and I just like go over my forehead, because I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in my mirror I can tell that now that I put concealer on my forehead, it almost looks lighter than it was before. So I usually just, whoa, a lot just came off. Wow, okay. I usually just take a little bit on my brush and just kind of go swipes over my forehead to darken it back up. There we go. Cool. That looks good. All right, but obviously I did that and like look at all the fallout. There was a lot of fallout, more than I expected. So let me not do it like a crazy swirl. And then I just do my cheeks. We want to be like a bronze goddess up in here. I don't see much color coming out. I don't know about you guys. I like could be too dark for this, which is like a me problem. I don't know. I feel like I don't see any color, but I don't know, you guys tell me, because I don't see much. So I just could be like way too dark for this. I usually go up here too and just like darken it up around my hairline. I don't know. Okay, well this will be the true test. So my neck, as you can see, I'm wearing a necklace, but my neck is like significantly lighter than the rest of my body. So can't seem to tan that part of my body. We'll take the bronzer and try to bronze on my neck, and then we'll really know if it's coming out or not. You guys see anything? I don't. I don't think it's doing anything. I don't know. Don't know, because look, again, maybe it's just that it's my color. Maybe it's even lighter than I am and it's not bronzing me up. I don't know. So I'm gonna do a thumbs down for that one. Again, it could be like a user error. I know I'm darker than most people. I know, like, because I'm half Hispanic, so like, you know, but like a lot of my friends like are way lighter than I am, so like this might be a good bronzer for them, so maybe I'll give it to somebody. Maybe I'll give it to my mother, but yeah, no, it's a no for me, dog. Unfortunately, it's just not dark enough. I'll show you what it looks like for my regular bronzer. Watch how fast it darkens up my neck, because you can see here I'm about the same color, but I feel like it's definitely darker than this one. Oh yeah, it's definitely darker. This looks like almost pink. Weird. Watch. This will darken up my neck. Oh yeah, there we go. See, almost immediately how it darkened up my neck. And now it's not as light. I mean, it's still light, but it's not crazy light. So, I don't know. Y'all let me know. So, that's a thumbs down for me on the bronzer, unfortunately. I'm not a big fan. And again, could be like user error because I am darker than most and it's the summer, so I'm like super dark in the summer. And it's just like, it's not dark enough for me, so could be 100%. I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. We can fast forward through that real quick. And I just do this very, very lightly, just to like give my eyebrows a little more definition, but nothing crazy. Sick, your girl's got some eyebrows now. That's that. Let's go back in with the blush and see if we can finagle this one a little bit. So this looks like it should be a good color for me. Probably a little, if anything, too pink. It's not really coming off across, but like when I look in the mirror, it's almost like a light, almost like a Barbie pink, I guess. But in the camera, it's coming across more like peachy, I guess. I feel like for my skin tone, peachy would work better because I am so dark, but we're gonna give it a shot. So I guess I'll go in with the same brush. This is probably the only brush like that I really have for this kind of stuff. Again, I don't really use blush, so I guess I really don't have much to go off of, but I know what it's supposed to look like, so. All right, let's try. Okay, it's definitely on the brush. All right. Not bad. I don't know if you guys can see it. I definitely see it here. Do you guys see it? I don't know if you can see it. Not really, but I definitely can see it, and it looks pretty good to me. I'm not putting on like a ton again. I don't want to be like those girls. It's like got a ton of blush on. I don't want to be an e-girl, you know? it's just like, it's not pigmented, you know what I mean? It's almost like the bronzer was the same, but it wasn't like super pigmented, and it's like I need a ton of layers. There we go, that looks better. I feel like it's so weird, like it's not coming across on camera at all, but in the mirror I feel like I'm starting to look like sick. Like I'm super pink. So I don't want to put too much more on, but I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know, you tell me, did anything change? I don't think it did, but you can tell me. So I want to put a little on my nose, because people do that, right? People put some on their nose to make it look like rosy and cute. Sure, there we go. Can you see it on my nose now? I don't know. So I guess for the Rimmel London products, bronzer and the blush, this was the first time, not the first time getting makeup products, but the first time I think I've been getting a drugstore product. I've gotten like Marc Jacobs in the past, but this was cool because I want to do makeup reviews. Like I don't want to do, like my last influencer package was ginger ale. And I was like, I don't know how I'm supposed to review this. So, you know, whatever. But I like getting makeup products so that I can review them. But yeah, I think I have to do kind of a thumbs down. This might be like the first review that I've ever given where a product that I didn't love. And like, I just want to be honest with you guys that I don't love these. I feel like they don't really come across, and they're not really that pigmented. And you know, I mean, again, with the bronzer, like I could be just too dark for it. So if you're lighter than I am, I guess you can go to the drugstore and see if you can buy it and try it out. But again, I didn't think it was like super pigmented, especially because my neck was so light. I don't think it came across, and like it should have come across at least on my neck because of how light it was. And the blush, same thing, like not super pigmented. I don't think it's like really coming across. And the fact that you can't see it on camera tells me that like it's definitely not pigmented enough. You guys can comment down below though if you think you see it like better than I do. I'm totally open to some thoughts and opinions. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go finish my little summer look. I just have hair everywhere. That rhymes. I have recently started using Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara, and let me tell you, I am obsessed with this mascara. I love it. I was using the Essie Lash Princess False Lash Effect. This was the waterproof one. This is super cheap, so if you're looking for really good mascara and to not spend a ton of money, this is a really good one. But this was on sale at QVC. My mom and I got like a 2-pack for like 30 bucks, which like one of these is worth 30 bucks. So it was definitely like almost like a buy one, get one. And I love it. Makes my lashes look great. So I like don't even use a eyelash curler half the time. There we go. You can already see it, like that's a crazy difference. Oh, I love it. It's the best. This is a great mascara. And I'm somebody that looks for like length versus volume. I don't want a lot of volume, but I just want my lashes to look long, and this does the trick. Dude, look at that. That's insane, literally. And I didn't even use an eyelash curler. How insane is that eye? Crazy. Boom. That's it. 2 layers, full eyelash curl. Oh, look at my lashes. Isn't that insane? If you're in the market for a new mascara, this is it. I just found it for you. This is it. I love it. It's great. So now I'm gonna go in with my Becca Champagne Pop, and then that's pretty much it for my little summer makeup look. I just do a little bit up here, like where, you know, where we're supposed to regularly highlight. Oh God, I wish you guys could see this. It's up. This, I like broke it and shattered it in like to multiple pieces. It's like literally a mess. So it's starting to get harder and harder with the clumps that are in here. I do like a little on my nose, a little on my bridge. Ooh, cute. And then this is the trick. The little summer glowy makeup is to put a little in the corner of your eye. So I just take my pinky finger. Oh, gorgeous. Yep, and then I just kind of like do it until I like what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? There we go. That's it. I don't do a ton. And then I will usually just like finish it off with like some chapstick. So I just have a baby lips here in pink. There you go. And that is the final look. Oh, my hair is coming out of the wave. And there we go. That is my summer makeup look. It's super minimal, super fast. I can do it in like 10 to 15 minutes, especially because I'm not using a foundation and I don't have to do like a ton of powder. It's great. And I just feel like it looks like relatively natural, and it's super easy, and it's literally like an on-the-go look. It's so fast and so easy. So there you go. All right, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and please make sure you subscribe. As for my final thoughts on these two products, I'm not a huge fan. Again, not super pigmented. So I would say if you want to save money, you could buy these. But if you're okay with splurging a little bit more, I would definitely go for the Hoola bronzer. And the cool thing about Hoola is that it makes different shades of bronzer. So this is the regular one. I think they make a light one, so for people who are super light skinned but still want to like look a little bronzed, this is the answer. And I think they also make a dark one, which like maybe I should buy, because as we know, I'm starting to outgrow all the bronzers. But they're not super pigmented, so I'm not in love. They're fine, they're not great. But again, I mean, if somebody else tests this out, happens to buy it and test it out, and they're lighter skinned than me and it works great for you, that's awesome. But again, it didn't really come out on my neck, so I mean. So those are my final thoughts. Sorry, Influencer, this was the first product fail. Sorry to say. If you guys want to follow me on my social media, it's in the description box below. If there's anything you want to see on this channel, please leave a comment down below. Next week, you'll be getting a country drive with me, so make sure you stick around for that. I know you guys love those videos, and there will be a new one next week. Thank you guys for all the country music recommendations you gave me. Love them, they're great. So I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye!